Welcome to this comprehensive video on the CUET MSc Forensic Science Entrance Test Exam Preparation Strategy. I am Dr. Anjani Kumar, and I'll guide you through a successful preparation plan for aspirants. Let's begin with an introduction to the CUET exam, or Common University Entrance Test. We'll discuss the growing importance of an MSc in forensic science and the career benefits this field offers. Understanding the exam pattern and syllabus is crucial. The CUET MSc Forensic Science exam includes MCQs and subjective questions. Key sections cover general aptitude and subject-specific topics like physics, chemistry, biology, and forensic science. A strong preparation timeline starts with developing a study plan. Divide your time between general topics and core forensic science subjects. Create a weekly or monthly timetable and emphasize revision and mock tests. Gathering the right study materials and resources is vital. We recommend specific textbooks and leveraging online resources, including educational websites and YouTube channels. Don't forget the importance of solving previous year's question papers. Focusing on core subjects is essential. Key areas include forensic biology, chemistry, physics, toxicology, and law. Also, be aware of emerging fields like digital forensics and cybercrime investigation. Practice with sample questions from past papers. The Aptitude and General Awareness section requires practice in logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and analytical ability. Stay informed about current events related to forensic science, and utilize recommended resources for aptitude practice. Effective time management is a key exam strategy. Practice solving questions within time limits, and prioritize high-weightage topics. On exam day, remember to stay calm and revise key concepts. Mock tests and practice are invaluable for success. Regular mock tests help track your progress and performance. Analyze your results to focus on weaker areas and improve accuracy. For last-minute preparation, prioritize conceptual clarity over rote learning. Revise your notes and important formulas. Finally, keep up to date with recent advancements in forensic science. In conclusion, remember that consistency, practice, and confidence are your final thoughts for success. A structured preparation strategy is what ensures you succeed in the CUET MSc Forensic Science Entrance Test.